Tecno has launched its new smartphone under Pova series in India called the Tecno Pova 8 Pro, with a distinctive rear panel design that features a customizable Alive matrix display that provides notifications, alerts, and other interactive functions. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Tecno Pova 8 Pro features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness support, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultimate chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 or 512 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Tecno Pova 8 Pro sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's LYTA 700C sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. For selfies, it has 13-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 6,500 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with iOS 16 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69K certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to maintain phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.48 by 77.27 by 7.39 millimeters, and it weighs around 189 grams. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Tecno Pova 8 Pro has been priced in India for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 49,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 54,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 21st in arc white, graphite black, and tundra green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Tecno Pova 8 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.